Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see this with the glare in the water and so forth, but these are some real giant-sized goldfish, and this is like a koi pond that's behind the house of the lady who I just took my cooking classes at. And I was asking her about cooking it, and she said, "Oh no, they don't cook it." But these are some giant-sized goldfish. They're larger than the catfish that we would buy in the store or whatever. But it's just a whole slew of them. I was telling her I cook them. Anyway. Yeah, but she's got a nice little garden back here. So all the pretty trees and the walkway and all this kind of little cute stuff. This is just great living. Just come and chill, relax, look at the little foliage and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so now we're getting ready to head back to my hotel because I have to catch up with my tailor again. So we're just chilling for a minute, waiting on our Uber to come back, and I got my doggy bag. So I'll check back in with you all. I have about 20 or 30 videos I need to be uploading. So that ends the cooking session. Bye.